Hi and welcome to today's session on upper and lower bounds multiplication. So when we are looking at upper and lower bounds, we're going to be using our knowledge of upper and lower bounds to find the greatest or the least value, or maybe the possible range, when our problem involves multiplying. So here's our basic rules that we use, and we're going to be focusing on this box just here. So I'm going to take our upper bound of our first value, multiplying it by the upper bound of our second value to find the greatest. To find the least, we're going to take the lower bound of our first value, multiplying it by the lower bound of our second value. So here we've got a tile, which is 15 millimeters wide, 18 millimeters tall, to the nearest integers, so to the nearest full numbers. So we're going to be finding possible areas for this. So the least possible values that we could have for the width and for the length are 14.5 millimeters and 17.5 millimeters. The greatest we can have is 15.5 millimeters and 18.5 millimeters. So the smallest possible area that we could have, we're going to multiply our lower bound by our lower bound of our two values. So 14.5 times 17.5, that's going to give me 253.75 millimeters squared. And doing the exact same for the height. For the greatest upper bound, to find the greatest that we could possibly get. In which case, the possible area we could get for this is 253.75 millimeters squared, or 286.75 millimeters squared, or anywhere in between. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.